Welcome back, my fellow artistes, to another Tip Off Tuesday. This week, we're going to be covering how we shade our charcoal drawings in 3 easy steps. Ooh, let's go! So guys, for this tutorial, we are going to need charcoal pencils, soft, medium, and hard, smudgers, a couple different sizes, and a brush. Let's go.
So guys, the 3 steps that I use are pencils, which we'll demonstrate in this sphere here, smudgers, which we will demonstrate in this sphere here, and finally a brush, which we will demonstrate in this sphere here. Now for those of you that have been around for a while, you know that we like to use the 3-layered method. So we will use 3 separate pencils, a soft, medium, and hard rated charcoal. Now we always start with soft charcoals, and then we use a medium, and then we work our way to hard. And one of the reasons why we do that is because the thing that makes the difference between soft, medium, and hard rated charcoal pencils is the amount of binder that's in them. So soft charcoals have the least amount of binders, so the charcoal tends to be very frail. Medium, of course, it gets a little thicker and silkier, and then of course hard is the silkiest and the thickest of all 3. Now a hard charcoal will stick to a soft charcoal, so when you are keeping your values in mind and you are working from white all the way to the richest black color, you want to make sure you're getting the full scope of your values by doing the 3-layered method initially. Now, like I said before, this is a 3-step process. So laying down the pencil work is just the first step. So the second step is all smudger work. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a smudger here and we're going to smear some charcoal from the sandpaper on it. And the biggest thing with smudgers is just to remember charcoal that's already been laid down in our pencil step. You can smudge that charcoal into the paper if you're looking to get a darker effect. You can leave it alone if you want a coarse look. But the cool thing about these smudgers is that they come in a variety of different shapes and sizes, which is advantageous for you as the artist, because that is only going to enable you to produce more and more effects with different shapes of smudger heads at your disposal. Now, with smudgers, they are extremely powerful, so meaning that when you want to put in a line like these lines here, notice how I'm going with very, very short strokes, and one of the reasons why is because you can get in over your head extremely quickly if you push the smudger too hard on the paper. So you want to push these smudgers over the paper very gently, because you can always add more charcoal. It's kind of hard to take charcoal away, so you just want to make sure that you're not pushing nearly as hard. But with smudgers, it's very much a layering process. You can smudge charcoal on top of charcoal on top of charcoal, and you can treat it much like the brush, because the more smudger work your charcoal has, typically the softer in overall appearance it will look. And you can make it even softer with the next step in the process. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do some brush work. So the brush is my favorite tool, and it's the favorite part of this 3-step process for me when I'm doing my shading. And one of the reasons why is because the brush softens everything up extremely quickly, and I'm able to move a lot of charcoal extremely quickly. Now all you have to do is take some charcoal and break it up over the sandpaper, and then you can use your brush to pick certain amounts of charcoal up. And as you can see here, I can lay down a lot more charcoal, or I can lay down not nearly as much, all depending on the desired effect that I need. But the brush is nice because you can go over charcoal that's already been laid down and you can hit it with the brush real quick. It'll change the overall aesthetic of your charcoal and make it look extremely soft.
So there you have it, folks. That is how we shade with charcoal. As always, we have links in the description down below if you guys want to pick up any of these tools and give it a go for yourself. So I guess that is it. That is all I got for you guys this week. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys dig what we're building here at Messer Creations, then I encourage you to like and subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell, ding, so you guys can be notified when our newest videos come out. My name is Braden, and you guys have just been tipped off. We hope you guys had fun, and I will see you in the next one.